Hi, I'm Giovanni, and in a short quick demo, I want to show you how Agentsy.pro works. After you have signed up and validated your email, you will land to a web page like this one. This we call it the playground, which is your company username dot agency.pro. After landing in this page, what I suggest doing next is going to customize settings and adjust all the information accordingly to your business. So you could change the company name, obviously, and also adapt all the copy and text according to your business, but also to your language. Similarly, you can replace all the images for the ones that you have and also adjust the colors to fit your brand styles. When you think you're done, you can click Save Customizations. You could always look back to check on your playground to see if you have liked the changes. After working with this customization, the other thing that you can do in the dashboard is see the analytics. For example, you can see how many people have registered, how many chats have been created, and how many messages each user has created to see what type of engagement they have. But additional to that, you can see, for example, the title of the chats that they have created, and also what type of questions they have done or requested, and what type of response your AI is sending to the user. This would allow you to see what type of topics your users are most interested in conversating with your AI, and also allow you to gather analytics to build communication on top of those insights. The final part of the customization is adding your OpenAI API keys and assistant ID. This information, you can get it by visiting your platform.openai.com and go to API keys. You can create a new secret key, and also you can create an assistant ID. The assistant ID is where you provide all the context that you want your AI to respond to. Also, in that same assistant, you can add the limitations. For example, for your assistant to not respond anything outside of the given context. So there you can upload, for example, a large document, or you could also upload the products and all the characteristics of the products. You could upload a manual, a product manual for people to interact with. So it's up to you how you want to configure your assistant. After you have finished setting up your system with OpenAI by adding the OpenAI API key and the assistant ID, and also by making sure that all the text that you have added, you feel good with them, and the same with the images and the same with the colors, you then can take your playground and share it with users for them to sign up and sign in. After your users have signed up and then sign in, they get access to a platform similar to this, and they could create a new chat, for example, summer tips, and they could ask any question. Can you provide me skincare products? What this would do is the question, it will be taken to gather all the information of the context that you have added to the assistant ID and to the assistant in OpenAI, and it will come back with a response. The type of response is also customizable. For example, if you would like shorter response or to respond in a certain style, or you can all customize it. And the playground is to do all those testings to make sure that the user is getting the response as the company desires. After you have been able to test the responses of your AI and have been able to customize your web page as desired, and you feel very happy with it, the next step would be to get your company domain, your company username.agency.pro being redirected to your subdomain or domain. In order to be able to do that, you need to upgrade the plan, because usually you started with a free demo, but then you have to decide if you want to go on a monthly premium or the annual membership. Will help you out on redirecting for that this platform would be accessible from your domain. So hope you like the video and reach us out for any further questions. Thank you.